Hey, welcome. Hi there. I hope that you're well. Welcome to my Nutritionist Corner. I'm Tish. Today we're going to be talking about antioxidants. I love antioxidants. I love what they do. I love what they do to the temple because I just think it is amazing. You know that lizards can grow their limbs back. So we are supposed to be the higher, more intelligent species. Yet lizards can grow their limbs back and we can't. So anyway, what I am fascinated by antioxidants, which can be found in a variety of foods, which I will be listing later on, right? Antioxidants fight off the effect of free radicals. So let me tell you a little bit about free radicals. Free radical is a natural occurring process. So whenever our body is energized, which is we're always expecting ourselves to have that energy that we need to function. So we need to function. So just by our bodies functioning, our internal organs, our muscles, our eyes, every function that is created is used through energy in our body. So once our body produce energy, we're gonna have free radicals because off of every process that happens in our body, there is a byproduct of that process that is usually classified as waste or toxic to the body. For example, we go through digestion. So when our body goes through digestion, it breaks down the food, we get the nutrients from the food. A byproduct of that digestion is feces, urine, sweat, and all these things. Our body goes through a process of respiration, which is breathing. And so when our body goes through that breathing process, we do have also a byproduct from breathing, which is carbon dioxide, which if stays inside our body becomes toxic to our body and can poison us. So that is why we exhale in the same breath to release like an equal amount of carbon dioxide. As much as we breathe in, we want to release carbon dioxide. So we're breathing that oxygen, we're releasing our carbon dioxide. And so after every process, there's a byproduct. So free radicals are byproducts of energy conversion in our body. So anything that we're doing, we naturally have free radicals in our body. What free radicals do is they contribute to the aging factor. So that is why we naturally grow old. It's as if we are wear and tear. So I always say, if you can imagine you have a set of tools, you're using your tools every day, you naturally gonna expect them to wear down and tear down. You have to replace them, you have to like repair them, replace them, right? So this is how you treat your tools. If you're using a hammer, you might break it. You're using your pliers, it might get dull. You're using a knife, right? You have to sharpen your tools, then keep them up to speed. So free radicals causes this wear and tear and this aging. So free radicals contribute to gray hairs. Free radicals contribute to our skin losing its elasticity and all the other signs and symptoms of aging, memory loss, and all these things, because it's like it's feeding on our cells. Our cells are being used. Apart from metabolism, other factors contributing to free radicals are air pollution, harmful ultraviolet light, radiation, and smoking. Apart from metabolism, other factors contributing to free radicals are air pollution, harmful ultraviolet light, radiation, and smoking. Aging keeps you looking youthful, brings back that youthful elasticity, that glow in your skin, makes your hair natural and vibrant and what am I say, bouncy, fluffy. It just brings back that life to your hair, to your skin, to your energy levels, as well to the functionality of your system. That is why it is important to eat food that are rich in antioxidants. We get antioxidants from most of our raw food, of course, fruits and vegetables. As I said, I'm going to be listing a few of them later. But off of the top of my head, I can tell you definitely coconuts have antioxidants, pineapples, Um, the sea moss, Irish moss, have antioxidants. Spinach, mangoes, avocados. As I said, these foods them are something you just pick up and eat, but you want to make sure you eat them, often enough, because we're supposed to eat fruits often enough, right? So that's why that's all I want to share with you for now. That is on the beautiful benefits of including food rich in antioxidants in your diet. I hope that you enjoy this video. I hope that you are well, and until next time in the next video, eat well, walk good, and I'll see you then. Take care.